Prepare to embark on a fascinating educational journey into the world of fermentation in our video, The Science of Fermentation, exploring the magic behind fermented foods. Fermentation is not just a culinary technique, it's a centuries-old process that transforms ordinary ingredients into extraordinary flavors while preserving them. Join us as we uncover the science, history, and diverse cultural significance of fermentation. Start by understanding the fundamental concept of fermentation. Learn how microorganisms like bacteria, yeast, and molds play a pivotal role in the fermentation process. Discover why this age-old technique has been used across cultures and continents for millennia. Delve deep into the science of fermentation. Explore the biochemistry of microbial action and how it transforms sugars, starches, and other compounds into new and complex flavors. We'll also discuss the health benefits of fermented foods, from improved digestion to probiotics. Embark on a global tour of fermented foods, from Korean kimchi and Japanese miso to German sauerkraut and Indian dosa. Learn about the unique ingredients, traditional methods, and regional variations that give each fermented delicacy its distinctive taste. Meet passionate fermenters who turn their kitchens into labs of creativity. Discover their secrets for making homemade fermented foods like pickles, kombucha, kefir, and sourdough bread. Gain insight into the patience and precision required for successful fermentation. Explore the historical roots of fermentation and its role in food preservation before the advent of refrigeration. Understand how it was used to create staple foods, enhance flavors, and make provisions for long journeys. Uncover the cultural significance of fermented foods in various societies. From the role of kimchi in Korean culture to the sauerkraut of German traditions, learn how fermented foods are intertwined with rituals, celebrations, and daily life. Discover the resurgence of interest in fermentation in contemporary culinary culture. Explore how chefs, food scientists, and food enthusiasts are pushing the boundaries of fermentation, experimenting with new ingredients and techniques. Want to try your hand at fermentation? We'll provide practical tips and guidelines for safely fermenting foods in your own kitchen. From equipment and ingredients to troubleshooting common issues, we've got you covered. By the end of this video, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of the science and artistry behind fermentation. Whether you're a culinary enthusiast, a health-conscious eater, or simply curious about the magic of transforming food through microbes, this exploration will leave you with a newfound appreciation for the world of fermented foods. Join us as we demystify the age-old process of fermentation and uncover the science behind its culinary enchantment.